Ikokola kaluda ibarena neotomano karamoja kesda loma kisanga senen imotoka na luda ibokito sinyamata yangana Agwelanarak moroto akware Canada esabiti apotuda inomate dope otomano lorin loda nyoni tombale keda inyamata nuti ayangaro town moroto noma kita motokalo eidunyi kede center Loreng Edward o district alona bilatuk ido isubusi luda jasi toma kesde pote puota twanereiko ichuchut.
I was coming from Bali to Moroto carrying food, but in fresh. We reached on the road, we found they have blocked the road. And we just put the what? Passed on it, and they started firing us. Two of them, they caught me. But for God's mercy, I'm still alive. These were plates, which I've just told you that 2 plates they caught me. Among the plates they shooted to our way.
Idarero ngakoko na inyiko kintido kwa na konye isubusi ni kesde kuria kebe minazdo kwa na keso palasi ayanga unu ni nyamata netoma na karamoja.
I have a fear that more of these incidents are going to keep on happening. More of these ambushes are going to keep on happening. Like now, some of these people are from Bali. They are saying, no, we are stopping our bringing. We are going to turn to other routes because this route has become insecure. So how shall we? How are people going to get the supplies of food?
Hata zamani walikuwa hivyo tu. Lakini saa hii sisi kulikuwa kumebeba chakula. Hata zamani kunabeba chakula lakini wanakuwa.
Wabanga elikubo lichali wiricho. Business ya Moroto tegenda kubera ki tegenda bera nungi
ido karamoja nyezda ma mitolomi kesi nyamata eraijara kide nyamata luda irisio districtan nguno lude jasi kingana ado karamoja.
Moroto does not depend on food grown within Moroto here. The food which we are eating, which are getting in these markets, we are selling, which are in the markets are from Bale, Soroti and other districts of Lambuli. So there is a fear that we may have a cut of supplies from Bale. So government, the concerned authorities should come in and help the business community.
Konyedo Michael Longole lodere rabangono ka police arinyi na ko Mount Moroto nyezda bale bekopeko anam edelo tudo kwa ni Musa Gono loda perununo nada imotokan luibokto sinyamatoto manorotin.
We registered in Kotido within last week, where a truck which was coming from Kabong was shot around Obel. Of course, the truck managed to maneuver. The driver managed to maneuver until they reached to L Center. 2 people were shot, and they are in the Kotido hospital for treatment. And then there was an incident after 2 days from that, where again another vehicle which was coming from Kabong side was again shot. Actually, when you put with this other one, which happened yesterday, they can be around 3 now. In a period of 2 weeks, you register 3, which means the issue of road thuggery is coming back on roads.
Abuda ili pengare noko kere ay moriki kinakanin anoda itiji ikaro kokolu mamde yang ontosa inapa kinane karamoja.
So this is our work as security, not only security, because bringing to make an area secure needs a concerted effort from the leaders, from the general community. We all join hands to ensure that we make our roads safer.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Karamoja.